Hey everyone, and welcome back to another refreshing video on our channel. Today, we're going to explore a unique sleep tracker Notion template that not only helps you monitor your sleep patterns but also includes a dream journal to record your nightly adventures. If you're ready to improve your sleep quality and unravel the mysteries of your dreams, then get cozy and let's dive into this innovative template together. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to stay updated with all our wellness-focused content and sleep-enhancing tips. Now, let's embark on a journey to better sleep and dream exploration with this one-of-a-kind sleep tracker and dream journal template. Welcome to your sleep tracker. Here you can track all your sleep daily. Let's begin. First of all, click on the blue arrow at the top right of your database to set as default the existing template. Now, click on the button New to create a new tracking line. Enter the clock in, clock out by choosing the date of your last sleeping. Don't forget to check the end time option to be able to enter 2 different times. Check also Include Time to be able to specify the time in hours and minutes. The sleeping time will be calculated automatically depending on what you entered. Rate your sleep quality from 1 to 5 stars. Select the current month that corresponds to 1 on your clock in clock out date. To add a dream, click on the property and start to write your dream title. Click now on the button New. Go now to the Dream database and click on the blue arrow at the top right of your database to set it as default to the existing template. Click on the previous page that we created before from the Sleeping Tracker database. As you can see, this page is linked to the Sleeping Tracker database. You can still change the sleeping quality property from here. Now, upload an image to illustrate your dream. It will appear on your dashboard. Upload it from your personal files or embed a link to a web image. Select now your dream type from 5 different ones. You can also add 1 or more emotions that you felt in your dream. Now, you can start filling in the page content. You will find here a monthly sleeping report for your sleeping time. Click on a month to be able to write something about your month. A lucid dream is a type of dream where the dreamer is aware that they are dreaming. In a lucid dream, the dreamer has the ability to control or manipulate the dream environment and the actions of the dream characters. Lucid dreaming can be a fun and fascinating experience, and it can also be a useful tool for exploring the subconscious mind and overcoming fears or anxieties. Reality testing is an important aspect of lucid dream practice. The idea behind reality testing is to train yourself to recognize when you're dreaming, so you can become lucid and take control of the dream. This involves developing the habit of regularly checking to see whether you're dreaming or awake and testing the reality of your surroundings. By practicing reality testing regularly, you can develop the habit of questioning whether you're dreaming or awake, which can increase your chances of becoming lucid in a dream. It's important to note that reality testing alone may not be enough to induce lucid dreams and that it's just one tool among many that can be used to increase the likelihood of having a lucid dream. You can build a morning and night routine and track it daily. In the respective sections, you'll find existing habits that you can follow for your lifestyle. You can also customize your own habits, and I'll show you how to do it. Simply click on the configuration button at the right of your habits generator to open the configuration mode. From there, bring up the routine line and open the Habits to Track page. You can now rename all your habits by writing them into the right space. Just remember to close the configuration mode before clicking on Add a new month, as this routine line works monthly. You'll find a report board at the top and 4 tables by week. Rename the first table as a month, and once it's finished, move the routine line to the archive page.